The V550U is a high-performance, inverted T-structure 5-axis machining center. It can handle cylindrical workpieces with a diameter of up to 590 mm and a height of up to 500 mm. It is primarily suitable for machining components in industries such as 3C electronics, small to medium-sized impellers, and precision mold manufacturing. The inverted T-base and widened saddle ensure full support for the table throughout its travel, effectively solving the overhang issues common with traditional cross-slide structures. The machine body, analyzed through finite element analysis, achieves excellent mechanical performance. Made from high-quality cast iron and fully annealed, it offers high stability and minimal deformation. Equipped with a torque motor cradle for 5-axis machining, the V550U can process various metal and non-metal materials. Its 5-axis control system enables high-precision, complex surface, and 4.5-axis machining, allowing multi-surface processing in a single setup. In terms of machining accuracy and efficiency, the V550U has outstanding advantages. It features a high-speed spindle with a rotation speed of 12,000 RPM. The spindle uses high-precision bearings and an optimized shaft arrangement, providing high operational accuracy, stability, rigidity, and load-bearing capacity. The internal spindle cooling channels, combined with an external oil cooler, rapidly dissipate heat generated by spindle rotation, quickly achieving thermal equilibrium. This ensures stable dimensions of machined products and extends the spindle's lifespan. The tool magazine holds 24 tools with an arm-type changer, offering fast tool changes and precise positioning compared to conventional umbrella-type magazines. The 3 axes are protected by high-quality telescopic covers, ensuring excellent protection. The integrated spiral chip conveyor in the base efficiently removes chips while providing a more user-friendly space for machine cleaning.